I'm trying to see if y'all can see it good. I'm sorry, I can't just stop looking at it. Up close and personal. It's giving fishbowl. Fishbowl. Hey y'all, so in the beginning of this video, I was very much depressed. Like, I just needed a change. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna impulsively dye my locks pink. So that's where this video came from. So I'm showing y'all right now my new growth and how my locks currently look. Still rocking this ginger, blonde, honey blonde, whatever type color that I have had. And my babies are growing. Like, we are almost at mid-back length, like, period. Thank you. So I'm gonna just show y'all the products I use. I always use L'Oreal High Color. I don't remember the colors that I use off the top of my head, but I'm pretty sure that I use um, ginger blonde and maybe honey blonde, but I'll put it in the bio. Of course, you want to get some gloves, some processing caps, and then I use the conditioning bambasu oil shampoo, and pretty much that whole line, and then the Peony, I'm not saying that right, leave-in conditioner, and I use Shine and Jam. Don't judge me. I use Shine and Jam to retwist my hair, and then I use 30 Volume Developer to mix the box color. So after I got that all mixed, I'm just applying it to my hair section by section and really working it into my locks to be sure that I don't have spots. I always end up with spots, but I try to get them out the best that I can since I do my hair at home. Okay, y'all, so this is kind of where we're at. Can y'all even see that? This is after 20 minutes of processing. So, about to hop in the shower, wash this out. I will be shampooing with like I said, this shampoo. And I'm gonna do a deep conditioning treatment. I'm gonna let this sit in my hair. How long do it say? 15 minutes, 30 minutes or so. And then I will come back and show y'all what the color looks like. Alright, so this is me immediately out the shower. Washed, deep conditioned, and pretty much ready to apply the pink. Now, it's always hard to get like that root right here where my roots in the lock meet because, you know, it's usually retwisted or whatever. So I gotta figure out a way to finesse that, or if y'all know how to finesse that, leave that in the comment section for me to look at, because I don't mind it, but you know, eventually I do want like even color. So yeah, this is where we're at. Hopefully y'all can see what I'm getting. So yeah. So I'm about to figure out how I want this pink to go. So I think I'm gonna do the darkest pink on the ends and then do like medium pink, like the neon pink in the middle, and then the pastel pink that I got at the top. But we'll see how it looks and how it like takes and stuff. So if it's not taken, then I'ma just say screw it and do the neon pink all throughout, or just mix the colors all together, because all I want is just pink, 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 point blank period pink. So, but yep, I will come back when I do the application. So these are the colors that I'm gonna be using. So I just did swatches so you can see. So pink petal looks like this. So I'll probably use this one for some individual ones in the front. And then we got atomic pink. The swatch looks more neon, but I mean, I guess it looks kind of neon pink. But it's a little dark. And then we have pink obsession, which is this. So that one looks kind of more fuchsia. So I'm just kind of gonna wing it. Like I said, I'm gonna try to use this one more towards the roots, the middle, and then my ends. So here we go. So this is where we are. Excuse me. So I will come back after it is all rinsed out. Yeah, our bathroom is a mess now because of me, but it's gonna get clean. So I haven't looked at it yet. I asked my mom how it looked because I rinsed my hair out in the kitchen, and she said it looked like it got hints of pink in there. So we about to see what it looked like. You know, it ain't pink pink, but it has hints. I actually like it. Like, I like the faded color look when I be seeing people with colored locks. So I with it. I'm trying to see if y'all can see it good. Honestly, I like the messy look, period, though. Even with my ginger blonde or whatever. But I like it. So it's giving like sunset. It's giving sunset. My hair doesn't feel dry or anything. It still feels like moisturized and stuff from after I originally did it. I like it. It's giving Miss Strawberry Patch. Like, you already know. But yeah, so I'm sorry, I can't just stop looking at it. Up close and personal. It's giving fishbowl. Fishbowl. Wait. But okay, I'm definitely feeling better now. Something different. But yeah, so I'm gonna retwist my hair. I'll come back when it's completely retwisted. I think I do want to do 2-strand twists, so my hair will be curly in time for the concert this weekend. We going to see Kalani. But yeah, so yeah, ain't nothing else I can really say. Bye. So here I am just retwisting my hair with that Shine Jam. I actually think I only use the Shine Jam towards the front of my head. Yeah, I don't even remember. I don't even think I use the Shine Jam. I think I'm using the Jamaican Lime, which again, don't judge me because that's what I use. That's what I like to use. That's what keeps my hair locked. So yeah, whatever. Anyway, here is how the back looks, and you can see that color a little bit better from this angle. So with each section, I sprayed it with the white Peony leave-in conditioner, made sure that it was fairly saturated, and then I went and parted. I mean, my locks are free parted, but I went and defined the parts, and yeah, I think I used this Shine and Gem in the front. Yeah, I don't know. I put something on my roots and parted it, and yeah, it was crisp, it was clean, it was cute, period. So I always comb through my lock unless I'm using the crochet method, and I was twisting to the left. Clearly, I think these are the only ones that I twisted to the left, and then I realized it and I was like, oh crap, but I don't even care because with my next lock retwist maintenance, I'm going to crochet my roots so they'll lock because it'd be taking too long for me. Like, hurry up, girl. But I do crochet maintenance like every 6 months or so. So yeah.
am after all of my locks have been retwisted, and I will come back after they are dry and to show y'all the final look. Alright y'all, so here is the final look. My hair is retwisted, feels weightless, and I added that bead. I added, I think, 2 beads this time. I don't remember, but I did end up adding more beads like 2 weeks later, just because I really like the beads look. It was so cute. So like I said, it's kind of like a faded pink color. I was really digging it, but after I washed it a couple of times, like the pink was like, girl, just strip me out. So I am going to show that video of me stripping the color out of my hair. I'm looking back at these videos like I would definitely do this color again. I'm trying to go lighter with my hair, but I am going to give my locks a break for a while because me stripping that color out of my hair did kind of like damage, well, not really damage, but it put a lot of stress on my hair. So look out for that video, and as always, let me know what else y'all want to see. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video.